If there's one thing that has remained constant, it's the fact that healthy and regular exercise can prevent you from developing certain diseases. For this reason, performing a 1-minute plank before bed can do good. Such benefits include boosting your flexibility, activating more muscles, and even stimulating fat loss around your belly. So, let's get into what happens when you do a 1-minute plank before bed and watch your body transform. Welcome back, viewers. Crunches are typically the most common abdominal exercise. That said, they aren't the best at building muscles and strengthening the core. Plank, however, is great for those who want to improve your posture. Do plank want to increase your strength? Do planking for at least 1 minute daily will help transform your body, albeit mostly in a non-aesthetic way. Do you want to know more than keeping? Watch this video until the end. Real quick, hit that like button and let's get back into it. How to do it. First off, how do you perform a plank properly? There are many ways to do a plank. One of the simplest ways is to follow the high plank or front plank variation. This type is the same as push-ups, except rest your body weight on your elbows rather than on your palms. Number 1, lies down flat on the floor. Number 2, place your elbow in a flat similar to a push-up position. Number 3, lift your body and keep your chin tight to your neck. Number 4, holds this position for 1 minute. If not, you can break it down into 3 reps, holding out for 20 seconds for each rep. Benefits of a 1-minute plank before bedtime. Number 1, planks help improve posture. Do you often have back pains? Sitting in front of a computer all day? Good thing there's plankton. It can help fix your poor posture. This exercise strengthens your back, chest, shoulders, neck, and abs. As a result, it's easier to keep your shoulder back and your lower back in a neutral position, whether you're sitting or standing. Number 2, planks help boost flexibility. It might not be obvious, but planks are actually perfect for stretching out the lower half of your body. When you get into the hold position, you're lengthening your hamstrings and the arches of your feet. Ultimately, this makes the plank pose a dual-purpose exercise for strengthening and stretching. 3. Planks enhance strength. When you do a plank, neck and shoulder strength consequently. This helps you perform better in your daily activities, especially if you're frequently carrying heavy bags on the go. Number 4, planks stimulate more muscles. Now, how can planks be more effective than crunches? For starters, crunches can be hard on your back over time. Pushing your spine against the floor can lead to lower back pain. Planks work your core and your entire body. It's the exercise that involves the arms, legs, and abs, making it an all-rounder and a more efficient way to exercise. Number 5, planks help reduce belly fat. Planks are a good calorie burner, thus reducing belly fat. That said, you must also stick to a healthy diet while performing a plank. Also, consistency and the right manner are crucial. Plank is a no-nonsense exercise that everyone can easily and should add to their workout schedule. Are you a fan of the plank yourself? If not, then do you think you're up for the challenge? Let us know below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, to subscribe to the channel. I hope this video will definitely help you reach your goals. Thank you so much for watching the video.